Hello, hi, myself Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. So today the speciality of the video is I would like to introduce one more batch of students who have done their project on how coins or currencies acts as a carrier of microorganisms from one hand to another hand, and how they help in spreading the pathogenicity or spreading the diseases among the individuals. So here he is explaining.
Hi, this is Shambhuddha Ghosh, and I will be talking about our project Morphological, Biochemical and Molecular Identification of Bacteria collected from coins from different sources. Digitalization is currently gaining its ground in Indian economy with huge acceleration. Yet, a large part of it is still dependent on the circulation of the currency coins. Bacteria, a microscopic organism, can be found on every surfaces, and these currency coins are also not an exception to it. So, while hand-to-hand transfer of these currency coins takes place, there is a huge chance of transmission of this bacteria from one person to the other. Our project aims to identify this bacteria by means of morphological, biochemical and molecular techniques, and which includes PCR technologies as well. Further, these identified bacteria are classified into classification of phylogeny by using the bioinformatics tools. Now coming to the social importance of this project. Socially, we have aimed to spread a social awareness among a population about the transmission of this bacteria through these currency coins from one person to the other. A huge population is still unaware of this fact that with the handling of these coins from one person to the other, they are getting affected by this bacteria and are causing diseases. So our project identified some fastidious strains of bacteria such as E. coli, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Klebsiella and Bacillus cereus, etc. And these bacteria are very much pathogenic and can cause some fatal diseases in human being. So socially we are trying to make people aware of this so that they can take the necessary precautions while handling money from one person to the other. The other part of this project is to shed light on the drug discovery which leads to the antibiotic production from these newly identified strains from different source of coins, which on the other hand may also pave a way to find the triggered pathway of the pathogenicity these bacteria strains share. So this is about our project. This is how we are trying to socialize an awareness through our project so that it can help mankind, and on the other hand which will help biology and also the scientists in a long way to make things improve in world.
So, the overall aim of the project was to isolate, identify, and characterize the bacteria which are present on the coins or the currencies, which acts as a source of transfers bacteria or contaminants from one hand to another. So, it was aimed to find out which are all the different bacteria which are involved or which gets transferred from hand to hand, and also what is the pathogenicity or what is the impact of the transferring of these bacteria. So, to carry out this work, coins were collected from 10 different local places, such as restaurant, street vendors, bakery, tea seller, fruit seller, butcher, grocery shop, xerox shop, stationery shop and medicine shop. So from 10 different places the coins were collected. The idea was that these coins will be adhered with the bacteria which are commonly available in those places. So from these bacteria, from these coins they were further cultured and bacteria was isolated. They were subcultured, and then the bacterial colonies were morphologically identified and they were stained to find out whether they are gram positive or gram negative, and further few biochemical tests were conducted to find out the genus of the organisms. After all this, finally, using molecular identification method, the exact species of the organisms were identified. So this is the image which shows the DNA isolated from different kinds of bacteria which are isolated from different sources as mentioned earlier. And from these genomic DNA, the 16S rRNA gene was amplified from the different bacteria which were subcultured and isolated. Then they were sequenced further to identify the sequence of the organism, and further these sequences were blasted in NCBI to find out the unknown organism. So with this we were able to find out various species of organisms which were involved, like Bacillus cereus and Salmonella enterica. They found in the coins which were taken from tea stall and butcher shops, which are the main carriers for food poisoning. And other kind of organisms were Escherichia coli, Enterobacter species, Klebsiella pneumonia and Salmonella enterica, and these are the main causes for airborne diseases which were found near the restaurants, fruit sellers and medicine shops. Other kind of species were Serratia species, Chromobacterium violaceum, Actinobacillus fluoropneumoniae, Streptococcus pneumoniae. These are the were identified from the coins which were collected near the tea stalls, xerox shop, bakery, restaurant, etc. So all these are pathogenic organisms and they are responsible for carrying or spreading the diseases from one person to another person. So we all should be aware of these pathogenic organisms and how we can overcome the spreading of these organisms. So in conclusion, so we can always say that this coin or currency acts as a potential carrier of the diseases, and this highlights the importance of hand sanitization. So the findings of this work will help in devising drugs that inhibits the adapting mechanism of the pathogens, and also what precautions everyone can follow or take care to overcome this. So these findings is already published in an international journal called World Journal of Pharmaceutical Research. So all of you can go through this research article for more and accurate information. And the idea behind why we are exhibiting this work is to motivate the students of life science. Always have to understand the importance of our branch, that is life science or biotechnology in particular, and how this field can be applied and social benefits can be approached, so scale can be extended and thus can be made helpful to the society also. So it's always encouraging for all of you to approach our web page and see the projects which are going on, and always students can communicate with us executing their interested project. It is always appreciated for each and every student to contact BioEd Solutions for carrying out your dream project, and also in executing the project and finding out the outcome which is beneficial for the society.
The BioAid solution has been a new sensation in the field of biology, as they are providing high-class facilities in carrying out the research projects with high excellence and high outputs. The BioAid solution provides the facilities including the RFLP, RAPD, sequencing, DNA barcoding, karyotyping, GCMS, LCMS, and various other bioinformatic technologies and services. They are welcoming the associations with the life science companies, the universities and the academic institutions that relates with biology and life sciences, and they are really providing superb guidance with excellence in their services. So BioAid Solution is a perfect place where you can come and grow your confidence and grow up and accelerate in your academic field.